I couldn't sleep last night because I thought something about this daggone timing chain. And I was thinking, because it didn't have a hole in it like the other one did, but it would fit back in the groove. And I thought, well, maybe that's not on there right. And sure enough, I come out here and check, and that don't move. That's supposed to be free floating. So I'm going to check and see what's going on. Read this thing. I read on some forums that this might be the one that you have to use the one-piece eccentric with. And that'd have been a nightmare if I'd have left that in there. That probably would have eat that daggone eccentric up and broke my fuel pump. But that's another thing I'm gonna have to do before I get it started. So it's gonna be a daggone week, it looks like. Alright, so fooling with this eccentric here. And I've got on some of my 351 Windsor group pages on Facebook and asked some people. And of course you get multiple different things. But what I decided to do was take out this bolt. So let's take out that bolt and see what we got. I know that I moved it and got some slack. So let me set this up here. Okay. Should be good right there. Okay, so 9/16 bolt. I've already got it loose, I think. So let's walk you through what the problem was in case you ever come across this. Alright, the timing chain cover was pushed all the way back. And as you can see, the dowel comes out too far to actually let this little tab right here sit in there if you've got it pushed all the way back. So pulling it out some gives me a chance to start this, and then it'll hold it off with that tab. So let me get a one way. Okay, see how the tab sticks out on the back of it right there? That goes in that hole. And hopefully once we crank it down, okay, it's in there right now. Starter bolt. Get that in. Okay, that's set back in some, which I expected. Still spinning. Still in the hole, so tighten it down a little bit. Now it's not spinning. I think that's supposed to be free. So I've got it where it's supposed to go. But the tab, I'll show you. You can see there. The tab's flattened out now. And that's not going to work because it's supposed to hold that back in there. So let's take that out. Copper. Now what was suggested to me is I take this out. This is the short dowel that come with the kit. What was suggested is that I use this long one here, which sticks out farther, and then get the one-piece eccentric, and it will come through it and lock it into place, and this actually holds it into place. So let me see if I hate to even try this. See if I can get this timing chain off. Yeah, I believe it's going to come off pretty. Okay. I believe not. I believe that this right here is back too far as well. Holding me off because it's binding where that one is down in there. God, please don't let me mess this up. Let me get another. Now, I don't see that coming off there. That dowel, I don't see that coming out. Hammered that thing with a piece of wood to get it in there. There's the can bolt. See, I've got some play there. Look at the old 302, see what we got on it. This 0302 roller block. If I could pull that off, pull off the timing cover, and see if it's got one of the one-piece eccentrics in it. Eccentric. You see that? That is called a done dollar for a wheel puller. So it goes. Junk. But I got another one to replace it. We found one in the garage we got to clean out. So put this stuff back in here. Well, that didn't help, Miles. Well, at least I ruined my wheel puller for nothing. That was fun. Got to do that.